The snows, they melt the soonest when the winds begin to sing, and the corn it ripens fastest when the frost is settling in. And when a young man tells me that my face he'll soon forget, before we part I'll wage a croon he's faint to follow yet. The snows, they melt the soonest when the winds begin to sing, and the swallows fly without a thought as long as it is spring. But when spring goes and winter blows, my love, you'll soon be fain. For all your pride, you'll follow me across the stormy main. The snows, they melt the soonest when the winds begin to sing, and the bee that flew when summer shone in winter cannot sting. I've seen a young man's anger melt between the night and morn, for it's surely not a harder thing to melt a young man's scorn. So don't you bid me farewell here, no farewell I'll receive, for you shall take me to the stile and kiss and take your leave. I'll wait here till the woodcock calls and the martlet takes its wing, for the snows, they melt the soonest when the winds begin to sing. For the snows, they melt the soonest when the winds begin to sing.
Cynthian Knight, everyone.